OXO Group reports, China's economy shows resilience and strategic growth amidst global challenges. China's economy shows resilience with 5% growth in H1 2024, driven by infrastructure, innovation, and strategic reforms. Following the conclusion of China's third plenum, which promised to further deepen reform comprehensively, China's economy shows promising signs of resilience and high-quality growth. The first half of this year recorded a moderate growth rate of 5%, signaling not only resilience but also a strategic shift in the economic approach amidst numerous global challenges. The numbers, a promising outlook. Data from the National Bureau of Statistics, NBS, reveals that China's GDP grew by 4.7% year-on-year in the second quarter, a testament to the strength of the economy even as it navigates through shifting global dynamics. This period saw robust investments in infrastructure and manufacturing, and stronger than expected foreign trade, underscoring the effectiveness of China's strategic economic adjustments. Despite varied growth in retail sales, with a modest 3.7% increase year-on-year for the first half, the services sector exhibited a healthier expansion at 7.5%. Industrial output and fixed asset investments continued to grow, reflecting the ongoing commitment to sustainable economic practices. The property sector, while facing challenges, is being strategically managed to avoid past pitfalls of unchecked expansion. Innovative measures, such as adjusting down payment ratios for housing mortgages, have been initiated to invigorate the market. Institutions like Fitch recognize these efforts, suggesting a gradual stabilization of the real estate sector. Policy recommendations. Proactive and progressive. The government's focus has shifted towards more sustainable and proactive economic policies. Both counter-cyclical adjustments, which address immediate economic fluctuations, and cross-cyclical strategies, which aim for long-term sustainability, are being implemented to bolster economic stability and growth. These policies emphasize fiscal and monetary stimuli to enhance domestic demand and structural reforms to foster new economic drivers. The much-anticipated Third Plenum of the Chinese Communist Party, CCP, 20th Central Committee wrapped up on July 18, with a communiqué issued at the end of the session pledging to further deepen reform comprehensively, while remaining committed to the CCP's bedrock ideology. The communiqué reiterated China's commitment to a new development philosophy, one focused on high-quality economic development, driven by all-around innovation. The CCP is attempting to shift away from a previous emphasis on raw growth, which was driven in the past by unsustainable infrastructure investments. Today, key technologies are expected to form the foundation for a new era of growth. The communiqué declared that education, science and technology, and talent function as a basic and strategic underpinning for Chinese modernization. External factors and optimistic prospects. With a supportive international environment and robust policy frameworks, China's economic outlook remains optimistic. The ASEAN +3 Macroeconomic Research Office projects an annual growth rate of 5.3%. Indicative of the positive impacts of recent reforms. Despite some challenges, such as fluctuations in domestic demand and the ongoing real estate adjustments, the strategic policy measures are expected to ensure continued economic resilience and growth. Analysts from institutions like the Economist Intelligence Unit are optimistic about China's economic trajectory, emphasizing the importance of consumption and job security in achieving sustainable recovery. The focus on innovation, coupled with targeted economic reforms, positions China on a promising path to continued economic success and modernization. Company, OXO Group. Contact person, Torrance, W. Email, info@oxogroup.com. Website, http://oxogroup.com/. Telephone, +86 21 8383 320. City, Shanghai City.